Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. Staying active doesn't require a full home gym or a dedicated room anymore. The walking pad. A1 Pro makes fitness accessible in tight spaces, merging sleek engineering with modern tech. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this folding treadmill slips neatly under desks, beds, or couches once your walk is done. It supports a maximum user weight of 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Breaking away from traditional RC flight, the FW450LV3 emerges as a bold step forward for modern helicopter enthusiasts. Built to balance cutting-edge tech with beginner-friendly features, this 6-channel beast brings auto-aerobatic flight into reach for flyers at every skill level. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, a solid carbon fiber frame, and a fly-barless system, it guarantees both durability and responsiveness in midair. Some workspaces look organized, others are organized. The Altai wireless charging desk mat falls firmly into the second category, an intentional blend of refined aesthetics and everyday function that clears clutter and powers your essentials. Designed with versatility in mind, this dual-sided desk mat features premium vegan leather on one side for a modern wipe-clean surface and soft felt on the other for a warmer, tactile experience. Its standout feature is a detachable wireless charging panel that magnetically snaps to either side, left or right, charging both your smartphone at up to 15 watts and earbuds at 5 watts simultaneously. Compatible with MagSafe devices, the charger integrates seamlessly into your workflow. The Spire Studio's second generation offers impressive advancements for music creators seeking reliable and high-quality recording capabilities. With an extended 8+ hours of recording time, this device ensures you have the flexibility to capture long sessions without interruptions. It boasts enhanced battery performance, allowing for sustained use during your creative processes. Equipped with upgraded preamps, the Spire Studio delivers clearer sound with better interference rejection, enabling higher volume levels and reduced distortion for a more professional output. The One X Player G1 stands out as a versatile, high-performance handheld console designed to meet the demands of both gamers and professionals. Offering an unparalleled balance between power and portability, this device excels in delivering seamless gaming and productivity experiences. Its compact form factor ensures effortless use for long periods, whether you're immersed in intense gaming sessions or tackling work tasks. Shut out the noise and focus on what matters most: your voice. The Be Free 2.0 sound. Isolation Booth creates a powerful acoustic shield wherever you set it up. With 26 decibels of noise reduction and 89% sound absorption, this booth ensures clarity in every note, word, or recording. Whether you're tracking vocals, laying down a podcast, or joining high-stakes video calls, this booth holds back distractions so you can dial in pure, uninterrupted sound. Introducing the Skadu M1, a groundbreaking cleaning device that elevates home hygiene to the next level. The M1 combines versatility with powerful technology designed to efficiently clean and sterilize your home in a single pass. With the ability to vacuum both wet and dry messes, this device tackles all types of surfaces effortlessly, from carpets to hard floors. Incorporating cutting-edge features, the Skadu M1 offers a handheld vacuum mode for precise cleaning in tight spaces. Stretching from 2.39 to 3.87 feet tall, this 17-in-1 standing desk transforms any workspace into a powerhouse of productivity. At its core is a powerful 17-in-1 docking station, integrating USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, SD card slots, and more. Simultaneously connect and output to 3 external monitors, expanding your visual workspace without clutter or lag. The desk also features a built-in SSD enclosure that supports up to 8 terabytes of high-speed storage. Elevate your workspace with the FlexStand Pro, a versatile monitor stand designed to enhance both play and work environments. Featuring an ergonomic design, it offers effortless electric height adjustment, allowing you to tailor your setup for optimal comfort and posture. The built-in ambient LED lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for both focused work and immersive gaming sessions. Equipped with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 expansion ports, this stand keeps all your devices connected and organized. The Wainlux Z5 is a versatile and compact handheld laser engraving and cutting machine designed for precise DIY creations. Equipped with a powerful dual light source 5-watt laser, this machine can easily engrave and cut through various materials with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, leather, or metal, the Z5 offers flexibility for personal projects, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. The Jidor Pad selfie screen is the game changer you didn't know you needed. As an all-in-one solution for selfies, content creation, and vlogging, this tool reshapes the way you capture life's best moments. Offering sharp, high-definition visuals and impressive lighting control, the Jidor Pad selfie screen takes your photos and videos to the next level. Its ability to deliver optimal angles and flawless framing means no more awkward shots or off-center captures. The Atari TWO 6000 Plus brings a fresh twist to the classic gaming experience, offering an upgraded version of the original Atari TWO 6000. This modernized console is compatible with both Atari TWO 6000 and 7800 cartridges, expanding the gaming library for fans of retro titles. Featuring HDMI output, it seamlessly connects to modern TVs, providing crisp visuals, while the widescreen mode enhances gameplay on larger screens. VelaFlame is redefining ambient lighting with its smart, flameless candlelight technology. This cutting-edge light bulb captures the essence of traditional candlelight, offering a flickering effect that mimics a real flame while ensuring safety and energy efficiency. Designed for versatility, VelaFlame allows you to adjust the light's color to match any mood, from a soft, warm glow to a vibrant burst of color. Its built-in Wi-Fi capability seamlessly integrates into your smart home, giving you full control from anywhere. Step into a new era of mobile content creation with UView, where simplicity meets pro-level performance. Designed for modern storytellers who rely on their smartphones, UView upgrades your filming game without the need for bulky equipment or overpriced gear. From crisp audio to dynamic lighting and steady framing, every detail is optimized to help your phone deliver content that commands attention. Throughout this video, you'll get an inside look at how UView transforms your mobile setup into a compact powerhouse. The experience of typing on glass has long been the standard, but Clicks transforms your iPhone into a tool of precision. Designed for those who write, message, and multitask constantly, Clicks brings physical control back to your hands without sacrificing screen space. No more toggling between keyboard and content. With 50% more usable display, you can work, play, or browse uninterrupted. Clicks are built with intention. The brushed metal side keys feel responsive and premium. A soft microfiber lining protects your device from the inside. Experience the convenience of the Satechi 3-in-1 foldable Qi 2 wireless charging stand, designed to streamline your charging routine. With advanced QI2 fast charging technology, this station offers lightning-fast charging speeds of up to 15 watts for your iPhone and 5 watts for both AirPods and Apple Watch. double the speed of typical chargers, ensuring your devices are powered up swiftly and efficiently. Its MagSafe compatibility allows you to charge your devices securely and easily. No more waiting on clunky dispensers or wasting space with bulky filters. This compact, efficient system redefines what clean water access looks like. The WaterDrop, a 1RO countertop water dispenser, is more than just a filter. It's a smart hydration hub built for modern homes. Certified lead-free under NSF ANSI 372 and verified by SGS testing labs, it ensures your water is not only safe, but exceptionally pure. When reliable internet is non-negotiable, the Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro rises to the occasion. Built for those who demand high-speed connectivity at home, in the office, or on the move, this mobile hotspot delivers next-gen performance powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X60 5G modem RF system. With blazing 5G millimeter wave speeds reaching up to 8 gigabits per second and Wi-Fi 6E technology, it ensures seamless, low-latency connections for up to 32 devices at once. Elevate your workspace and entertainment with the Samsung Smart Monitor M8, where cutting-edge technology meets sleek design. With its slim profile and modern aesthetics, this monitor not only enhances your setup but also provides unmatched versatility for both work and play. Featuring a built-in IoT hub, it seamlessly integrates with your smart home devices, ensuring a more connected experience. Stream 4K HDR content directly from native apps, immersing yourself in rich, vibrant visuals. Elevate your kitchen experience with a salt and pepper grinder set engineered for performance and comfort. The generous 4.5-ounce spice chamber minimizes refills, while the wide 1.8-inch top-loading opening makes restocking easy with less mess. Designed with an ergonomic hourglass body, this set fits naturally in your hand, offering a firm grip that reduces strain, ideal for extended cooking sessions or those with arthritis. This is not another gadget. It's a professional-grade control interface engineered for creators, coders, and power users who demand more from their workspace. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, the Modu controller combines form and function without compromise. Every detail is made to refine your experience. High-resolution touchscreen, motorized potentiometers for tactile control, vibrant RGB LEDs for visual feedback, and seamless integration with your favorite tools. Even the most traditional bedroom can be transformed into a high-functioning space when this innovative side table enters the scene. Merging design with technology, this piece redefines what a nightstand should be. It includes a built-in cooling drawer, perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, or medication at the right temperature without leaving your bed. Whether placed beside your bed or your living room chair, the wireless charging pad on top keeps your phone powered without clutter. Bluetooth speakers are neatly integrated, offering immersive sound without requiring separate gear. Harnessing cutting-edge optics and intuitive AI, the Insta360 transforms your workspace into a professional broadcast setup. Outfitted with a powerful 1/2-inch sensor, it captures nuanced detail in sharp 4K clarity, complete with HDR and stellar low-light handling. Whether you're lit by studio lamps or a desk lamp, the image stays vibrant and balanced. The real magic unfolds with phase detection autofocus, delivering rapid, tack-sharp precision with every movement, perfect for live demos or dynamic calls. Gliding through water with power and precision, the Edge K4 redefines your kayaking and diving experience. Built for adventurers who demand speed, control, and intelligent engineering, this underwater scooter weighs just 2.2 pounds but delivers up to 19.8 pounds of thrust. Its lightweight profile hides serious capability. Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless integration with smart devices, while intuitive controls offer unmatched precision steering beneath the surface. The Alpaca Vertex pouch is a versatile and practical solution for those looking for an organized, sleek, and weather-resistant accessory. Designed with the modern traveler and daily commuter in mind, this men's sling bag combines functionality with style. The bag features 3 large compartments, providing ample space for your daily essentials, including your iPad mini, electronic devices, and accessories. The Async H7 e-bike stands as a top-tier option for those seeking versatility and performance. With a premium carbon fiber frame and handlebar, the Async H7 combines strength and lightweight construction, offering a sleek, geometrically balanced design that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. It features a powerful 960 watt-hour Samsung 21700 removable battery, capable of a maximum range of 50 miles with throttle alone and up to 100 miles with pedal assist. In small apartments or tight spaces, growing your own food shouldn't feel impossible. That's exactly why this streamlined indoor garden was engineered, to bring yield and versatility into even the narrowest corners. With a sleek footprint and an innovative expandable design, it supports 12+ plants without the bulky frame of traditional models. Most systems with similar output eat up over 5 times the floor space, but here, thoughtful architecture redefines what compact gardening means. Elevate your practice sessions with the Full Swing Kit Launch Monitor, designed with machine learning-enhanced radar to deliver supreme accuracy at a fraction of the size and cost of traditional systems. Featuring the most innovative patented radar technology, this compact powerhouse captures 16 critical points of club and ball data. Its compact design fits easily into your golf bag, protected by a durable case, so you're ready wherever your game takes you. Under the sun or through a chill dusk breeze, this electric machine is built for performance beyond pavement. The MaxFun 10 Max pushes urban mobility into a class of its own with top-tier components and unrelenting power. A searing 55 miles per hour top speed delivers high-octane thrills, while the extended 70+ mile range ensures you're riding longer without compromise. Its Samsung removable battery guarantees quality and convenience. Charge anywhere, anytime. Step into cleaner living with a water filtration system engineered for lasting purity and precision. This under-sink reverse osmosis system delivers 800 gallons per day through a powerful 9-stage filtration process that removes contaminants like PFOA, PFOS, and reduces TDS with remarkable efficiency. Its space-saving, tankless design means fewer parts and faster water flow, producing a 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, 3 cups of clean water for every 1 cup wasted.